all present here. Myself, Mrs.Lavanya from AIML department. I'm taking computer network in the semester. So I'm going to take a concept like a congestion control algorithm. First, we have to know what is congestion, and then we know about what we are going to control a congestion. So first is congestion. Congestion is a network may occur if the load on the network is greater than the capacity of a network. That means in this room having the capacity of occupying the student is a 50, but unfortunately we put on a student like a 60. That time the congestion may occur. If that congestion we are going to avoid in a network, we control the congestion. It refers the mechanism and techniques that can either prevent the congestion before it happens, or we are going to remove the congestion after it will happen. That is congestion control. In congestion control have two classification. One is open loop congestion control, another one is closed loop congestion control. Open loop congestion in the sense it's going to prevent the congestion before it happens. Closed loop congestion in the sense it remove the congestion after it happens. Here we have now we are going to see the policies in an open loop. We have 5 policies in an open loop congestion control. First one is retransmission policy, window, acknowledgement, discarding, and admission. And another classification of closed loop congestion control have a techniques like a back pressure, choke packet, implicit signaling and explicit signaling. First we are going to see what is implicit signaling. Implicit signaling in the sense it's sending a data direct signal to the source and destination. It means we have the sending of data in both direction, like a forward and backwarding of data. So another one is a back pressure. We have a sender and receiver. In between we have so many nodes to receive and send the data. If I am going to send a packet through if like 1, 2, 3 nodes is available in between of source and destination. If I wanted to send a data to a destination through 1, 2, 3, 4, in 3 of the node having some congestion, that time the destination send the signal to 3 of the node. If something has happened, send the signal to the sender. That is called back pressure. And another one is a choke packet, and the same concept is followed here. We have sender and the receiver. In between we have 1, 2, 3, 4 nodes we have, and I wanted to send the data to through 1, 2, 3, 4 to a destination. If packet of third node some packet is lost, that time the sender will send the signal to, if something is happening in the node of 3, send some pressuring signal to a source, stop sending the packet to a destination. And another one is implicit signaling. Source guesses there is a congestion when it does not receive any sources, become slow down. If packet is lost in between any one of the node, if a congestion happen, that time destination will assume that if there is some loss of packet is happening in between the node, any one of the node, that time is destination send a signal to source, don't send any packet to me because some traffic is happening in between of the